This text animation might seem impressive but also quite simple. If the necessary details aren't followed, a bad text animation will result. However, when done correctly, you'll get a very effective intro animation or a text animation that will keep your projects alive. Hello friend, in this video you will learn everything step by step in a short time. First, create a composition. You can adjust the composition settings like this or according to your project. Then open another composition. Set the composition scale to 500 by 500. Select the text tool and type the letter M or the first letter of a word you want. Align it to the center and slightly enlarge its scale. Then select the rectangle tool and draw a shape the size of the letter we typed. Then track the letter to the rectangle with a matte effect. From the Effects panel, add the CC Repetal effect to the text. Set the Expand Up and Expand Down values to 3500. Next, open the Shape Layer settings and convert the rectangle path to a Bezier path. Then, adjust the Shape Layer path to match the size of the text. Now, open the text position, activate the keyframe, and leave the keyframe as it is at the 3-second. Return to the first keyframe and set the secondary position value to 3500. If this position value is insufficient, adjust the position value so that the text fits perfectly inside the shape layer. Then select the keyframes and apply Easy Ease. And set the speed graph like this. Perfect. Now copy one of this composition. To avoid confusion, let's change the composition names. Open the composition O, change the text to O. The text O doesn't fit perfectly inside the shape layer. Therefore, open the shape layer path and adjust it to fit the text. Then, set the starting position of the text to -3500. If the text has disappeared, it means you need to increase the expand down value. Then adjust the text's position according to the shape layer. Perfect. Now copy another composition and change its name. Open the copied composition and change the text. Then adjust the shape layer's path to match the text. And then set the text's initial position to 3500. If this isn't suitable, adjust its position to match the shape layer. If there's a problem with the path, adjust the path to match the text. Now, do all the following steps in the same way for the other texts. I'll cut the video short to keep this part from getting too long. Now, after completing all the letters of the text, drag all the compositions to the workspace. To avoid mixing them up, arrange the compositions appropriately. Then open the title action safe, align the M and N compositions like this. Then select all the layers and set the alignment to distribute horizontally. This sometimes doesn't give us the desired result. That's why we need to do the initial steps ourselves. Now it's much better. Then select all the layers and do pre-compass, name the composition final. To make the animation look better, I made one letter black and the other blue. This will give the animation a better look. Now we turn on the scale value. The scale value will remain the same for 3 seconds. We go back to the beginning and set the scale value to 150. Select the keyframes and give them easy ease. Also adjust the speed graph like this and activate motion blur. Don't forget to activate the motion blur of the text in each composition. This video ends here. If you watched until the end, don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video.